the verb that shows an action or that doing something or that work something is called action or doing verb. Every doing verb is the main verb of a sentence. Okay, next, being. Being comes from when there is no action verb, or the sentence when we cannot get any action verb, we use the being verb. I just say something about the doing verb, a word that where there we get the action verb, there we get the object, but sometimes the object is hidden. But if the verb is does not any action, there we cannot get any object. অর্থাৎ object depends on the verb. Where we do not get any action of the verb, then these sentences we cannot get any object. Okay, so in the verb being verb we cannot get any object. In this sentence we do not get any object because being verb does not show any action, so that's why it has no object. So what is called the being verb? The being verb is called to be verb. Am, is, are, was, were, been, be. What does it function in a word? It links the subject and subject complement in a sentence. What is the function of being verb? Being verb links the subject of the sentence to whom? The subject complement of the sentence. Linking verb links between subject and subject complement in a sentence. Let's see the example. Aman is a teacher. Here Aman is subject. Looks, here the verb only is. So when we say is, does it show any function? Does it show any action? No, is does not show any action. That's why what is the function of the verb is here? Now here is, the function of the is linking verb. Why is it called linking verb? Because it links whom? It links between the subject and the subject complement. Here subject is Aman and subject complement is teacher, a teacher. So why a teacher is called subject complement? Why we cannot say it object? Because is does not show any action, and we know the verb that does not show any action, it has no object. So as is does not show any action, is verb does not show any action, so it has no object. So that's why it says something about the subject Aman. Aman is what? Aman is a teacher. Aman is a teacher. So it says something about the subject of the sentence. The word that says something about the subject is called subject complement. Next, they are is. Here the pronoun is they. Verb is are. Reach adjective. Reach adjective. They are rich. So what is the verb in the sentence? In the sentence verb is are. If we say are, does it show any action? No, are does not show any action. So that's why are is not a being verb. We call it a being verb, and being verb is used in a sentence for linking verb. So are is linking verb. They are rich. So in what is the function of the linking verb? Linking verb links between subject and subject complement. So here see, are links between the pronoun they and the adjective rich. So what is the function of the word rich is here? The rich is here subject complement. Why is it called subject complement? Because it shows something or it says something about the subject they. That's why rich is subject complement, and are, the verb are links the subject they and the subject complement rich. That's why are is here linking verb. Okay. Likewise, we were happy. Here were is linking verb. It links between we and happy. He has been ill. Here he is pronoun has been. Looks here. This is ill is adjective here. Looks here. Here we see two verb has or been. So what is the form of the been? Verb form of the verb been. Now I just say few minutes ago the be verb, to be verb, it's three forms. FB verbs are three forms. Likewise, to be verb also three forms. Its present form is am is are, past form is was were, or past participle form is been. So been is V3 form or has helping verb. Okay, has and V3 form, it shows the tense form present perfect tense. That's why has been is here present perfect tense. So has is here, has is used here as a helping verb, and been is used here as a main verb. Okay. So he has been ill, he has been ill. So has been, it does it shows any action? Has been, the verb has been shows any action here? No, it does not show any action. That's why we call it linking verb. Okay. Next, he has been a doctor. At the same, has been does not show any action. That's why has been is a linking verb. It links between he and a doctor. Next, position. Position means ki? Position means belonging someone, that is belonging someone. Someone belongs or someone possesses something. Suppose someone possesses something. Suppose I have an old book. Means I have an old book. I possess an old book. That means I possess an old book. Okay. So that cases we use the possession verb. In English, there are three possession verbs: has, have, and had. What is the main verb of the possession verb? Now, the main verb of the possession verb is have. Its present form is has have, past form is had, past participle form is had. Okay. Let's see the example. We had many ponds. We had many ponds. So why in this sentence we use we pronoun? It's the function of the we is in the sentence is subject. What is the function of the had? The had is the function in the sentence is helping verb, as there is no action verb. why we use in the sentence had, as we shows the position. What is the position? That we had many ponds. There are many ponds that we have. So I shows the position. That's why I use had. I also used here have also. But why I use here had? Na, I show here the past form. That's why I use had. Once upon a time we had many ponds, but now we do not have. But if we say at present many ponds we have, then we use have here. We have many ponds, but I used to expression here the past form. Once upon a time many ponds we had, so that's why I used had. Why? Now we know that the past form of the have is had. That's why I use had here. Next, she has a toy. Here the pronoun she, what is the function? Subject. Has is used here, the position. She has a toy. She possesses a toy. She is the owner of a toy. So I express on it the position. That's why I use here has. I cannot use here she was a toy. The meaning is the difference. When my expression is belonging to someone, position, that cases we use has, have, had. Okay. Likewise, Raman had a red pen. Here had we use to expression here the past form. That's why we use had. Raman is subject here. Raman had a red pen. Means Raman is the owner of a red pen. To express on the position or belonging, that's why we use had. And why we use it had?